Hello everyone, I'm Kitchester F. Gumahin from BSIT 22. Data formats. JSON or JavaScript Object Notation is a lightweight data format designed for easy interchange between systems. It utilizes a simple structure of key-value pairs similar to Python dictionaries. These structures format enables efficient transmission for data between server and web application, widely adopted in web development and APIs. JSON is favored for its simplicity, readability, and board support across various programming languages. XML Extensible Markup Language is a markup language designed for encoding documents in a format readable by both human and machines. Its structures relies on tags to define data elements and their hierarchical relationship, facilitating organized data representation initially prevent in the early stage of web service and APIs. XML remains relevant in industries prioritizing standards and compa- compatibility with legacy systems. HTTP headers. These headers defines the format of the data being sent or expected. For instance, application JSON signifies JSON data, while application XML denotes XML data. It ensures that the both parties understand the format of the exchange data. Here the client specify the preferred format for the response. For instance, application JSON indicates a preference for JSON data, while application XML requests XML data. This header ensures compatibility between the client and expectation and the server response. Common use HTTP headers are pivotal in conveying metadata between clients and servers in web application and APIs. They guaranteed mutual comprehension of the data format, facilitating accurate processing by both parties. Thank you for listening.